Hey everyone, this is Gayle. If you've been following my channel, you see that every month I do a box opening for the Simply Earth recipe box that comes monthly. And it's something I have totally fallen in love with. But this month I want to show you something really special. I want to give you a sneak peek of what's coming up in January. You're going to love it because I know I do. Since I have been with Simply Earth almost 2 years now, one of the things that I really love about their products and the things that I make is their lotions. And look here, a DIY lotion kit. Can you believe it? You don't have to subscribe to the recipe box. You can just order this. Wouldn't that be awesome? So let me go change my camera and I will show you what's inside. Be right back. Okay, here's the box, and here's the DIY lotion kit. And I haven't seen what's in here myself, so this is going to be a surprise for both of us. I do need to slice open this little sticker that they have holding it so it wouldn't get open during shipping. And let's see what's in here. Everything is always packaged so well with Simply Earth. We have, of course, this protective paper. And we have some sunflower oil, two sunflower seed oils. Might be more, I have to see what's in here. We have vegetable glycerin. Okay, so that's vegetable glycerin. We have GeoGuard ECT, which is a preservative. We have 2 lotion bottles and 2 pumps. And we have a smaller box. Let me get the big box out of the way. I'm kind of running out of room here. And we have lemon and lavender essential oils. We have emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol. We have labels, lavender lemon. Sounds good. And here is our recipe card. So let me switch back. Didn't that look like fun? I can hardly wait to get started. So stay tuned. I will not be doing any products now. I've got to figure, kind of play with this myself a little bit first. And when it gets closer to January, probably 1st or 2nd of January, I will release a video showing you making these products. So stay tuned and hope you're as excited as I am. Bye-bye.